Start your day with motivation and purpose. Here are 10 powerful quotes from some of history's greatest minds to inspire and energize your day. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. This quote is from a Chinese proverb. I think it is reminding us that it's never too late to begin. Take that first step toward your dreams today. Believe you can and you're halfway there. This is from Theodore Roosevelt, the 26th US President. It says to me that confidence is the foundation of success. Trust in yourself and you'll go far. Your only limit is your mind. Not sure who first said this, but it's so true. Free yourself from doubts and fears and watch your potential unfold. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. This is one of the many great quotes from the former Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Winston Churchill. It inspires us to keep pushing forward. Every setback is an opportunity to grow. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. This one is from Jim Rohn, the American entrepreneur, author, and motivational speaker. You have the power to change your perspective and outlook to create your own joy. Choose to interpret things in a positive way, good or bad, every day. It always seems impossible until it's done. Wise words from the South African anti-apartheid revolutionary and political leader Nelson Mandela. Big goals are achieved through small, consistent actions. Keep going. Once someone achieves the seemingly impossible, it opens the doors for others. Do what you can with what you have, where you are. Another great quote from Theodore Roosevelt: use what's in front of you to create something amazing. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Seek knowledge and growth in every day, no matter how small. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. A great reminder from the author Melody Beattie that when you focus on what you're thankful for, life feels abundant. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. From the wise Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu, every big achievement starts with one small action. Take yours today. Which of these quotes spoke to your heart? Share your favorite and spread the positivity.